I didn't hear you. Mande? Hi everyone, the Spanish word of the day is going to be a Spanish expression. The expression of the day is mande. Mande. This word is mainly used in Mexico. Mande literally means order, as in you order. And it's similar to excuse me, pardon, yes, or sorry. This word is usually to ask someone to repeat what they said because you didn't hear nor understand what the other person said. You can also say mande by itself. Now let's see a few examples using mande. Mande, 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 ¿qué dijo? Mande, ¿qué dijo? No se dice que, se dice mande. No se dice que, se dice mande. Mande, ¿podría repetir lo que dijo? Mande, ¿podría repetir lo que dijo? Okay, as you can see, this is a very easy word to learn because it is a polite way to say what, and it is very similar to excuse me, sorry, yes, and pardon. Okay, that was the word of the day. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Visit smilessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. Also, if you like what I do, please consider donating to this channel. When people donate to this channel, it makes me really happy and it motivates me to make more videos. Thank you so much for your donations. You can also support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Leave more examples down below using mande. Thank you so much for watching, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye!